Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at today's stock market action for July 2nd. We'll be looking at Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, their daily action for today, and we'll be looking at a couple of winners and a couple of losers, and we'll be looking at their chart and see how they perform today. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. This is all our social media sites. We love to see you guys there. So please join and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on these lines in coming days. As you see in the slide, Dow Jones posted 92 points today, S&P 500 14 points, and Nasdaq 53 points. So ended the day in green, but the overall the day they started up almost 400 points, the Dow Jones, but it ended up giving up almost all the gains and ended the day with 92 points. So it's not a great day, but it ended in green. That is a good news. So let's look at their chart. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Dow Jones, and I tell you guys all the time I like the weekly chart. Today is a classic example of why I like the weekly chart. So if you look at the daily chart, the index now almost posted 400 points to begin with, but ended the day with 92 points, which is nothing. So it's kind of classic reversal. So it might look bad in the daily chart, but let's switch back to the weekly chart. So when we switch to the weekly chart, when we reduce all the noise and compress into one bar for the whole week, it does not look that bad, in my opinion. It's almost posted like 820 points for the whole week. So given the run up, it looks decent to me, at least in the weekly settings. So that is the reason I like the weekly settings. It reduces the noise and give us some kind of clear trend for a short-term trading. And the same thing here. This is a classic reversal for the negative week, so which is raising some cautions. So that's one of the reasons I like the weekly setting. So again, the story is I may sound like a broken record. The problem is the index is still running into resistance at its 50-week moving average line, which is a long-term support line. It's getting in resistance in that line. So sooner or later, it has to regain it. So let's see how it behaves in coming days. On S&P 500, that does not look any bad. It gave up some gains today, but the chart still look healthy. It's still getting into resistance around this 3154 price level, and hopefully it will clear that resistance in coming weeks. And here is our winner Nasdaq. It looks a lot healthier. It is still trading well above its 10-week moving average, 50-week moving average. So the chart does not look any bad at all. So it looks good for now. So let's see this this stock, this index can now carry this rally forward. So one more thing before we move on, I want to point out the VIX, that fear index, which is I look at them every now and then, but I found interesting that it lost its 10-week moving average support here. Now it's trying to find the support at the 200-day moving average. So it found support at the last time, and the market went down. So it's again going to now find the support right here. So let's see how the index behaves in coming weeks. So it's almost getting there. So let's see. This is your before March level. So this moves opposite to the index. So when the fear goes down, market goes up. When the fear comes back, now market comes down. So it's an opposite relation. So when we switch to the website, today's recap is recorded here. So you can see all the stats, go through it. When you get a chance, just review them. Everything looks healthy as of now. These are the stocks went up for the day, and these are the stocks went down for the day. Match is one of the stock showing some classic reversal. So you may want to look at your chart and see how it behaves. And the FCEL looks really healthy. So we can see it's one of the low price stock, but the chart look really healthy. So this is your daily recap, and you can see the heat map. It looks good. So we are not going to look at the chart today because we are hitting that 5-minute mark. So look at this recap when you get a chance. So that's all, guys. The indexes and indices had a very good week overall this week. So hopefully, the momentum continues in coming weeks. So this is our website. Please subscribe. Please check it out and subscribe to this channel and check out all our social media site. And I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. And thank you very much. And have a great week.